going, guys? Welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day here in Melbourne. I'm going to be doing some work to my 1998 Prelude. We've got Noble 1 Advanced fully synthetic oil. I don't know how many brand oils have advanced written in front of it, or whatever. Some Majestic cleaner. Going to be replacing the coolant while we're at it. New oil filter, might as well, and replacing the pod filter. Anyway guys, let's get stuck into it, eh? By the way guys, when you're dropping your oil, make sure you're doing this when the engine's cold. That black gold. Thank God I'm wearing gloves. Believe it or not, that's 5,000 Ks, guys. And it looks like that. But these engines are high revving engines. Like these VTEC, they get up to some high RPM, so they're known to burn some oil. So yeah, I will change them every 5,000 if I was anyone else who owned a Honda. It's different. But look at that. That's 5,000 Ks, guys. They burn it quick. Mind you, this is Mobil. This is not some cheap fucking oil. Well guys, it's been about, I don't know, half an hour, 40 minutes, and it's still dripping. Just want to let you know, these sumps are made out of alloy, not steel, and sometimes the washer can get stuck in there like you can see. So it's just sitting in there. So just be advised not to be fooled and put the new washer in over the old one. And I recommend never reuse these ever. Just spend the 50 cents, guys, and replace it with a brand new one, because nothing's worse when you've done the job and it's still leaking. So again guys, spend the money and just get another one. And also the oil filter, put some oil around the rim, guys. Alright. Sorry with the shaky camera footage. It's really hard to get a shot down here. So there you go guys, there's the oil filter. See that? Again guys, sorry about the shaky camera footage. Always put oil on the thread guys. before putting the new washer on. Alright guys, this is radiator tap here, located in the center of the car. The best thing to unloosen this, I reckon, is a 10mm spanner. Stick it right here. Sorry about the footage. Just like that. It's the easiest way to loosen it. Alright, the ring spanner. And just continue loosening it, and eventually water will start pouring out. You'll see in a second. There we go. Oh, lovely, I just got coolant all over me. Fuck. Just let it sit there and let it do its job. Economy doesn't look too bad actually. I changed this about maybe 2 years prior, and to be honest with you, it still looks good. Guys, time for its first start. Yeah, I've got the heater on. Let's kill that for a minute. Anyway guys, there you go, there's my prelude. All done in service for you, so get out of here.